How you can achieve your affiliate marketing dreams. When beginning with affiliate marketing, you most likely have a lot of questions floating around in your mind. You most likely feel lost when looking at where to start with your marketing efforts. Take a look at these tips below to eliminate your confusion and to become a successful affiliate marketer. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. Do not forget that affiliate marketing expands further than the internet. You do not have to convert someone online. You may find a product that allows you to pitch by phone or by snail mail. This is a great way to increase your profits and profile as an affiliate. Just be sure that you're ready to handle the work. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Pick an affiliate program which offers many payment options. Some affiliate companies will only mail a check for payment to you after you have reached a predetermined dollar amount. Others will pay you through direct deposit or other payment methods such as PayPal and AlertPay. If you ever become involved with a self-hosted affiliate and begin to do well, turning out big commissions, you should never be afraid to ask for more money. Product providers want to keep their best earning affiliates, and you can get a 10% bump by simply asking for it, so do not shy away from asking. To push your affiliate marketing programs to their highest level, you should try to keep the content of your page up to date and write about things that are still relevant even if it is from a year ago. Someone who finds outdated content on your page as a first impression may be lost and never come back. Try offering free shipping to your customers. People hate paying outrageous prices for shipping charges, and having free shipping can attract more customers. If you can't afford to foot that bill yourself, have advertisers foot the bill in exchange for being able to include ads in each package you send out. A great affiliate marketing tip is to not customize your links too much. Links should be kept simple because you want your customers to be able to tell where a link is. If you remove the underline or change the color of links, visitors might not even notice them. Affiliate marketing can be very intimidating to someone who has never done it before. It can easily lead to feel overwhelmed because of all the resources available. Below are some tips to assist you in getting all of this information organized to where you can create an effective strategy to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.